Who wouldn't love to dive into a world of creamy custard and jiggly Jell-O? A universe where these two dessert titans come together to create an explosion of taste and texture that delights the senses. Today, we're going to explore the realm of a favorite dessert, Jell-O and custard pudding. Immerse yourself in the sweet, creamy goodness of custard, a pudding that has been adored across cultures and generations. Picture yourself stirring a pot of smooth, velvety custard with a hint of vanilla, the aroma filling your kitchen, creating an atmosphere of warmth and comfort. To make this custard, you'll need 4 egg yolks, a cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, 2 cups of milk, and a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Start by beating the egg yolks, sugar, and salt together until they become light and fluffy. Then, heat the milk in a saucepan until it's just about to boil. Gradually pour the hot milk into the egg mixture, stirring constantly. Return the mixture to the saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring until the custard thickens. Remove from heat, stir in the vanilla and let it cool. Now, imagine the contrasting texture of Jell-O, a dessert that's fun to eat and even more fun to make. Picture yourself pouring the colorful liquid into a mold, then waiting in anticipation as it transforms into a jiggly, wobbly treat. To make the Jell-O, you'll need 1 pack of your favorite flavor gelatin and 2 cups of boiling water. Dissolve the gelatin in the boiling water, stir until there are no granules left, and then let it cool. Now comes the fun part, combining these 2 delightful desserts into one. Pour a layer of cooled custard into a serving dish, then a layer of cooled Jell-O. Repeat these layers until you've used up all the custard and Jell-O. Chill the pudding in the refrigerator until it's set, usually a few hours or overnight. So to summarize, start by making a creamy custard with egg yolks, sugar, salt, milk, and vanilla. Then, make a jiggly Jell-O with your favorite flavored gelatin and boiling water. Layer the custard and Jell-O in a serving dish and chill until set. And there you have it, a dessert that's not only a feast for the taste buds, but also a treat for the eyes. With its alternating layers of creamy custard and vibrant Jell-O, this pudding is sure to impress. Whether you're serving it at a party or enjoying it on a quiet evening at home, this Jell-O and custard pudding is a dessert that's sure to delight.